Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is the recapitulation of the chapter 3, which is expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. Class 7 from Oxford Book 2. There are topics to study: expand and simplify using distributive law, expand and simplify using product binomial to binomial, using product binomial to trinomial, factorization by middle term method, and last one we will discuss about homework. Example number 1 is -3 bracket 2h plus 7k. In step number 1, outside the term -3 is multiplied each term of inside the bracket. -3 multiplied 2h minus plus is -3 into 7k. By simplifying we get -6h minus 21k. Now there is no term of common variable or there is no like term to be added, so it is the answer. Here we are using distributive law. Each term outside the bracket is multiplied inside the bracket terms, and minus multiplied plus is minus and plus multiplied minus is minus. Example 2 is 2p bracket 3p minus 5q minus p 2q minus p. First we multiply 2p to the first bracket and minus p to the second bracket. 2p into 3p minus 2p into 5q. First we multiply 2p into 3p and 2p into 5q. Then minus p into 2q minus minus plus and p into p become p square. P की power 1 and p की power 1 is equal to p की power 2. Now we simplifying the terms. 2p into 3p 6p square, 2p into 5q 10pq, p into 2q 2pq plus p square. Now we adding the like terms. There are two like terms in the middle, minus 10pq and minus 2pq. Two same signs will be added. Minus 10 minus 2 become minus 12. Sign is inserting of greater term. Minus 10 is greater here, so we inserting the sign of greater term. Minus 12pq plus p square is the answer. In this example, there are two brackets. First bracket is trinomial having 3 terms and second bracket is binomial having 2 terms. First we multiply first term of the bracket to the first term of the second bracket. X square multiply x. Then we multiply x square to the second term of the second bracket. Now we take x, the second term of the first bracket. X is multiplied by the first term of the second bracket and x is also multiplied by the second term of the second bracket. Similarly, for 1 multiplied by x and 1 multiplied by 2. Now solving this we get x cube. 2 plus 1 is 3. The like terms powers are added. 2 into x square become 2x square x into x is x square, x into 2 is 2x, 1 into x is x plus 1 into 2 is 2. Now there are no like terms, so this is the answer of this example. If there are some like terms, we must be added and simplify.
Here is an example: m plus 2p, m minus 3p bracket and minus 2m bracket m plus 4. In first two brackets, we are using binomial to binomial product. First term of the first bracket is m and second term of the first bracket and second bracket again. And in the third one term, minus 2m is multiplied by m and minus 2m multiplied by 4, minus plus minus. In third bracket, we are using distributive law. By arranging the like terms and by adding the like terms, we get the simplified form. Here we can see m square minus 2m square is minus m square, minus pm, there is no any other term of pm, minus pm is remain same, minus 6p square remains same and minus 8 is remain same. Here is an example: 5x square minus 13x plus 6, and we are using middle term method to factorize this expression. First term is of plus, middle term is of minus and last term is of plus. First and last term product is plus 5 into plus 6 is 30, and the middle term factors are minus 10x and minus 3x is equal to minus 13x, and multiplying by these factors, minus 10 into minus 3 become first and last term product, which is 30. Now our expression become 5x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 6. Now we are taking 5x common from the first two terms and minus 3 from the last two terms. Now common brackets are x minus 2. We are writing only once, and outside the bracket terms are 5x and 3. 5x minus 3 is the second bracket. This is the factorization by middle term method.
This is another example of factorization by middle term factors. Middle term is 9. The factors of 9 is plus 3 plus 6, and the product of these factors is 3 into 6 is 18. Now you can see the first term coefficient is minus 2 and the last term coefficient is minus 9. The product of minus 2 multiply minus 9 is equal to plus 18, which is equal to the factors of the product of the factors of middle term. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Now we are multiplying the factors to each other and taking the common terms. In first two terms minus x is common, in last two term plus 3 is common. Now we get same bracket 2x minus 3, and outside the bracket terms are minus x plus 3. You can write minus x plus 3 is 3 minus x, and bracket 2x minus 3 is same bracket we are writing only one time.
Now assignment is review exercise 3, page number 112. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. All parts from the Oxford book 2.